drawing a kite, I have this pen with me. You can take the pencil and then later on you can just outline it with sketch pen. So right now I am drawing a kite. So I will draw one slightly slanting line like this. And along with that I will draw a long line like this. Hey, it has become X. Woo. So now what I will do is I will join this point with a slight curve. I will not draw a straight line, I will draw a slight curve like this. I hope you are making with me. Now I will again join this with this. Let's see, a slight curve. Oh no, my pen is not working. I have to do this like this. Yes. Okay. So I have joined it like this. Now I will join this point with like a semicircle. Wow. See, you can see the curve here. I have drawn a lot of curve. Similarly, we will draw here from here to here like this. Okay, so if you see, you will feel like, oh, what is this? This is like a square and cross. Okay, so this is my kite. I will just draw a circle here. I have drawn a circle, and here is the ribbon which is coming out of the kite, my kite. Okay, now this point is the tail of kite. So I'm just going to do like a S. Okay, and like this. You can draw a longer one also if you want, wider one also, whatever you want. Okay, so this is my kite. It's very simple and sweet. I hope you like and enjoy making a kite with me.